Jimmy the Jet Trail Prophet on duty here. I just started seeing jet trails. I prophesied that they'd be here. Oh, last time I saw any was 2 Sundays ago and the Sunday before. And now we're going to get some more. Yes, at least in Pennsylvania, I haven't been seeing them. So, back again. GM Skywatch, are you watching? Alright, buddy. And then we have these cotton ball clusters where would normally be a blue sky in the back. And these clouds, these dark clouds, are really low. Yes, yes. Lots of changes, don't you know? So you can see the split in the cloud where the jet trail went through there. It's going to be crazy. I'm predicting many jet trails later this evening. That's my prediction. If I'm wrong, so be it. Call me a temporary false prophet. I will resurrect. All right, later, folks. Just had to get that bird. And the dove. Wow. Alright, catch y'all this evening. It's like we're getting a fine halo showing up. Yeah, there's a halo showing up there. Alright, this is gonna be. It's a lot of birds. Alright. Alright. This is just too good. Alright, gotta go.